Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up for your BLK. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So BLK is a dating app specially designed and made for black singles. So in this app you can find your soulmate by texting and chatting with them. So to sign up in this account or in this app, you need to first of all download the app from your App Store or Google Play. So once you have downloaded the app, you need to simply tap open the particular app. So once you have opened it as well, you will end up in this kind of interface, which will now redirect you to this interface where you need to tap on sign in with mobile. Now you need to type in your mobile phone number and you will receive a code on that particular number. So you need to now simply type in the OTP that you have got, and once you have done this, you need to follow the on-screen prompts to get signed up or create an account in your BLK Dating app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.